Hi guys! We are moving in Tokachi. It's a super fancy campsite. The interesting thing about this place is that we are pitching the tent on the deck. We can't pack our packs into the ground, so the person provided us with this special pack that you can use. What you do is you put the tail of the pack through the rope, then you slide it through the hole and then you twist it. Yes, so that it stays. Wow, he's preparing dinner for us.
Hokkaido grilled vegetable and bread. Please feel free to use the cooking utensils.
Okay, for this Hokkaido meat tasting dinner set, because this place is super far from the city, so either we cook our own stuff or we drive an hour out to get food. So we have lamb and pork over there. We have bread here. We also have pink potato mash. It's really pink. We also have roasted vegetables. For some reason, our meat is smoking a lot. Is this normal? Oh my god. Oh good. Our meat's ready. Okay, slice the pork.
Easy. Very good.
Well, I'm not a pork connoisseur, but this is good. He's now trying the lamb. Let's go.
Yeah.
Whoa, this is very rare. It's nice. Slightly tough. Anyway, this is like one of the fanciest experiences I've ever paid for. There's like a lot of things to do here. They provide coffee beans and black beans to make your own tea. And then there's even like a stove over there. You need to use your own firewood to start your own fire. Then for the sauna as well, you have to make it warm using firewood. Then there's also a bonfire pit. Then there's a ofuro at the back. And then over there's a stream where you can go fishing and go play in the river. Oh, that's so good. Okay, we're gonna stop filming now. I'm just gonna enjoy the dinner. It's so good. It's raining. I just checked the temperature is 14 degrees. I don't know why it's 14 degrees in the middle of summer. Like we are freezing. We are freezing. We tried to use the outdoor onsen just now, but the water wasn't warm enough and also it was drizzling. So we went out after less than 5 minutes. Oh, and check out our lamp upgrade. What we had previously was a headlight as our tent light. Now we have this. See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is now 7:30. It is still drizzling a bit. It's super cold. But I really like how we're so surrounded by trees. You can hear the birds. Right there. I don't think I showed you guys around the place yesterday because everything was so rushed. So let's do it now. So this is the bonfire pit. This is the way to the river. This is obviously our fancy kitchen. That's the onsen and our supply of firewood. This is the sauna. And this is the toilet. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful thing. Is this a mall? Wow. Toilet. Ohio. Okay, show them the stove. Ta-da! We are supposed to put firewood in there. And then put the bread in the stove. That's the fire starter. Ooh, yes, this one's burning. The staff told us that ideal temperature for heating up bread would be around 100 degrees. We have been at this for about half an hour. It's still slightly lower than 100. Has it been moving up? Oh, the temperature has finally reached 100. Okay, we're gonna put in the bread. We got these breads from a super nice bakery from Furano. This is the potato anchovy bread. Super nice, we had half of it yesterday. And then we have a fig cream cheese bread. Let's go! 40 minutes. After creating the fire, we are down to just this little bit of firewood, so we need to chop more. That's our firewood. So this is how it works. There's this blade thingy, and then you need to hammer it in so it stays. After it stays, just chop it really hard. Oh, that's it. And then you have firewood.
So the slightly thinner ones used for starting the fire, and the thicker ones used for when the fire gets bigger.
So, they provided us with coffee beans. And we are supposed to grind our own beans and make our own coffee. And we have the instructions here. For 1 cup, yes, use 15 grams. Hot water is ready.
Okay, let me pour in the coffee first.
It's finally time to take out the bread from the oven. Something smells a little charred. This looks fine. Oh no, it's burnt. Oh. Okay, we still have one more. I hope that's not burnt. Yay! Our breakfast is ready.
We are going to eat the bread. What was the place called? Manaka Bakery in Furano. All their breads are baked in the wood fire oven. So it smells like there's a fire when you reach the place. But yeah, it's really good. Wow, very strong.
You have space for melon?
Alright, let's have melon.
So Furano is famous for melons, but they are ridiculously expensive. When we went to the famous farms to look for melons, how much were they?
Casually 3,000 and above.
Even the reviews said that they were ridiculously expensive, so we went around looking for melons in the melon farm, which means that we needed to know how to identify our own good melons. And this is what we learned. Firstly, the netting of the melon needs to be even across it, because this shows that it received nutrients all around and its sweetness is like distributed all around. Also, the netting should be raised. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, like this. Another thing is, a lot of the shops were selling melons that people can buy as gifts. So usually they're not ready for eating on the day itself. And how do you find a ripe melon is by looking at the vine. If it's withered like this, that means it's ready for eating. This cost us 9 sing from one of the direct wholesalers. And we're gonna try it now. Oh, is this how you cut a melon? Oh, the juice. It's so ripe. Smells very good. It's not as jelly-like as a red melon, but the flavor and everything is still good. One of the key differences between Japanese melons versus the ones you find in Singapore is that these melons, they are sweet throughout the melon. In Singapore, usually there's a smaller circle of sweet stuff, and then there will be an outer layer that's not so sweet and like really hard.
Ooh, so soft. This 1,000 yen. Should buy more. Oh my god, it's so good. I wish we had some milk to go with this. Then you can mix the juice inside and have melon milk.
Yes, that is such a good idea.
キノコが出てる可能性が高いと思うんで、ちょっと見てみましょう。これはアメリカ裏紅色変わりっていうキノコで、これは食べられます。これは変色性があります。色が変わります。見ててください。これが正常です。青く変わります。これは薄竹っていうキノコで、毒キノコっていう扱いになってます。水溶性って呼ばれてます。お湯に全部毒の成分が抜けるって。で、昔は食べてたんですけど、今はもう毒キノコになってます。違うね、これ黄金山鳥だ。
わあ、
ここにもあるんだ。ここにも。これ卵竹だな。卵竹に似てるけど、これは卵竹じゃない可能性もあるけど、正確にはわからないです、これは。だけどこの天狗竹の仲間はほとんど毒キノコです。だから無理をしないことです。はい。いい感じだ。
名前は？
タモギタケです。これは何？あ、これも森の枯れ畑です。ちょっと味を見るのに。
立派です。
うん、立派立派。結構虫入ってるか。これは虫が食べてます。いや、意外としっかりしてるよ。あ、ここにもあるよ。遅いな。でも上だけ食べれるから。チェック。ダメ。
わあ。
小さいね。ホコリタケって言います。これも食べられます。
かわいい。
かわいい。食べれないけど、これは紅タケ属のキノコです。
どうして食べれない？
まず美味しくない。
Yay! We just ended the mushroom picking experience. It was super fun. We're gonna make lunch now. Just now we used this side of the stove, which is for the oven. Now we're using the stove. And we need to make a fire again. Yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna stack the firewood over it. I finally realized why people stack it like this. If you stack it in a very orderly way, it doesn't allow air to go in.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
And fire needs oxygen to burn.
That's good.
Guys, after we finished picking all the mushrooms, person was like, okay, let me prepare the ingredients for you. I thought that he was just gonna, help us clean it, chop it for us or something. Turns out, he prepared this entire thing for us, okay? Maybe I didn't fully understand the meaning of chili shimasu because I really thought chili was just prepare. Look at this. These are all the mushrooms that we picked. We're gonna try the mushrooms now.
Love mushrooms. Wow. It's so good. It's really so good.
The flavor.
Oh, smell different. This one smells good, like tempura-ish kind of smell. Yeah, that's really nice.
Oh, I love this one.
Right.
Come to Bougie, guys. Recommended. Cancel the rest of your trips for later. Just use your money and book this place. It's worth it.
What do you want to put in to the water? What do you want to put into the pot?
I'm gonna cook curry now. Our lunch is ready. How to go wrong with curry and Japanese rice? Konnichiwa! It's already 3:30 and we are heading to the river to do some fishing. So yesterday the person told us that the safe timing to catch fish would be 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So now we only have 30 minutes left, but we thought we would try anyway. Okay, because we are in a bear habitat, so when we walk around, we need to carry a bear bell. And he also has a bear spray with him. And the person told us that there were bear sightings recently. This is the fence that keeps the bears away. And now we have crossed the fence. There are bear tracks here. Okay. Oh gosh. I guess we were here to eat the fish. This is both our first time fishing. Wish us luck. We're heading back now. Plus it's already 4:10. Fishing was a fail. I didn't even know how to operate the equipment properly. And for some reason, I kept losing my bait. And then I have to reattach the bait. I think we will maybe enjoy the onsen before dinner. We're now gonna watch anime in the ofuro. We were given swimsuits to wear to enter the ofuro because we are just staying in the open, and I guess they don't want to see naked people walking around.
鉄格子古くて錆びてて一本曲げれば俺なら関節を外して侵入できるな
次元いいものがあったぞザルなしの鶴だこの
Sauna time. Oh, it's warm. It's now 15 degrees, which I think is the perfect temperature for sauna. They provide this essential oil. Don't know what it is, but I really like the smell of it. Preparing such a nice meal for us.
Miso pickle cheese, smoked whelked, salmon and sauerkraut, Hokkaido local food chanchan yaki, salmon and vegetables and miso.
Wow, this potato soup is so good. Super smooth, very strong potato taste, milky too. Wow. Look at all the sparks.
It's a great way to end the trip.
Hi guys, so this is the last day at moving in. It's already 8:30. It's safe to come to the river, and I'm gonna play in the river. It has always been my dream to play in a clear river or lake like this. Don't ask me why it's my dream, but it's always been my dream. It just looks so fun. So, life jacket, slippers. We're just gonna be fishing there and saving me if needed. Okay guys, when I entered the water, my legs started to hurt. And I'm not sure if I can actually put my entire body in the river. This might be the end of the river experience for me. Attempt 2. once you get numb to the cold, it's actually fine. Guys, okay, I think I'm done playing in the water for today. Look at how clear it is. Next time, I'm definitely bringing a float so that I can sit on the float and then just float down the current without having to be in the water myself. I mean, it's fun, but it's cold. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop now because if not, I'm gonna get hypothermia. I'm so glad I bought my bathrobe because I'm really, really cold now. I'm like shaking all over. I go back first. I'm not sure you can see, but I'm shaking.